Halftone Filter in Apple Motion. You can find the Halftone Filter here on the Filters, Stylize, Halftone. Breaks the image tones into small and large dots. So let's apply that. The first thing you will notice is that once you applied the Halftone Filter on your layer, it will desaturate your layer. The Halftone Filter contains a few parameters that we can adjust. Center controls the X and Y. Angle controls the rotation of the halftone. Scale controls how big or how small the dots, like this. Contrast sets the amount of the contrast between the brightest and darkest part of your layer. So 0, of course, you will have like there's no contrast at all. And then at 0.99, you will have this. Mix is the percentage between the blending of the halftone filter and the layer itself. Publish OSC. Checking this will make this controller available in Final Cut Pro. Let's reset the halftone filter. When using this halftone filter, it is better to adjust the angle first. Maybe reset it to 0 so that you will have like this. Because from earlier, 45, you will notice that it looks unpleasant early on. My advice is to set it to 0, and then starting from that, you can adjust your halftone effect. Of course, it depends on you how you will use the contrast and the scale of the filter. So that's how to use the halftone filter in Apple Motion.